Myself Pooja Bhand. Today's date is 23 May 2022. Today's video topic synchronization in Java. Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to any shared resources. Java synchronization is better option where we want to allow only one thread to access the shared resources. Then why use synchronization? The synchronization is mainly used to prevent thread interfaces to prevent a consistency problem. Then what are the types of synchronization? There are two types of synchronization, process synchronization and thread synchronization. Here we will discuss only thread synchronization. Then what is the thread synchronization? There are two types of thread synchronization, mutual exclusive and inter-thread communication. Mutual exclusive, synchronized method, synchronized block and static synchronization. Corporation, that is inter-thread communication in Java. Then what is mutual exclusive? Mutual exclusive helps keeps thread from inheriting or interfering with one another while sharing data. It can be achieved by using the following three ways: by using synchronized method, and by using synchronized block, and then by using static synchronization. Then what is the concept of lock in Java? Synchronization is built around an internal entity known as the lock or monitor. Every object has a lock associated with it, and by convention, a thread that needs a consistent access of an object's field has to acquire the object's lock before accessing them, and then release the lock when it's done with them. From Java 5, understanding the problem without synchronization. There is no synchronization. Then what is test synchronization? Java synchronized method. If you declare any method as a synchronized, it is known as a synchronized method. Synchronized method is used to lock any object for any shared resources. When a thread invokes a synchronized method, it automatically acquires the lock that for that object and releases it when the thread completes its task. And that's all about it. Thank you.